Time for part 2 of the series where I talk about how I manufacture parts for Bolt-A-Board, which is a modular pedal board system that I designed. So here are the frames that the rails from the last video bolt into. I'm making two sizes of frames right now, a 1U size and a 2U size. The prep is the same for both, so let's put together a 1U frame. This guy comes off the printer like this. The underside of the part requires some cleanup for the bolt holes. I have to print this part in its strongest orientation, which means that this step is a necessary one. Then I give it a wipe down to remove any adhesive from the bottom as well. I'll go ahead and install the nuts and bolts in either end of the frame, checking to ensure that the threads are perfect. Fresh off the build plate, here are some cable clips. I gotta remove these tabs which I added that keep the part stuck down while it's printing. One of these clips will take a nut and a bolt runs through the other side, keeping them both attached to the rail. With pedal boards you gotta route a lot of instrument cables, so these clips help keep them secure. So these frames are ready to install now. Sub for part 3 if you want to see me make more. Thanks.